Here's a step-by-step tutorial to fix a CCTV black screen issue caused by a powered-off camera, signal not reaching the DVR/NVR, or a faulty video cable or connector. Step-by-step, fixing CCTV black screen. Step 1. Check the camera's power supply, inspect power adapter. Make sure the camera's power adapter is properly plugged into a working outlet. Check power indicator, if available. Some cameras have a small LED that lights up when powered. Use a multimeter, optional. Test the output voltage of the adapter, usually 12V or 24V DC. Swap adapter. Try another power adapter with the same specs to rule out a faulty adapter. Step 2. Check the power cable. Look for physical damage, rodent bites, sharp bends, fraying, or cuts in the cable. Reconnect the cable. Unplug and plug back the power cable to ensure a secure connection. Try another cable. Use a spare power cable to test if the original is faulty. Step 3. Inspect the video cable, coaxial or Ethernet. Check the connector ends. Ensure BNC connectors for analog or RJ45 connectors for IP cams are snug and not corroded. Test another port. Move the camera's cable to a different DVR/NVR port to test the feed. Swap cables. Use a working cable from another camera to test the video input. Step 4. Check the DVR/NVR input channel display. Confirm the black screen channel is selected on the DVR monitor. Swap channel inputs. Move the camera to a known working input channel to verify it's not a DVR issue. Reboot DVR/NVR. Restart the system to reset video feeds. Step 5. Examine camera settings, IP cameras. For IP cameras connected to NVR, check IP address. Ensure the camera IP matches the NVR settings. Ping the camera. Use a PC to ping the camera's IP to confirm network connectivity. Log into Camera Web UI. If accessible, verify it's working and streaming video. If, after the tests, one of these is faulty, replace it. Power adapter. Power cable, video cable, coaxial/RJ45, BNC/RJ45 connectors. The camera itself if all else fails. Step 7. Test with another camera. Connect a known working camera to the same power and video cable. If it works, the original camera may be faulty. If it doesn't, the problem lies in the power supply, cable, or DVR/NVR input. Step 8. Final checks. Ensure DVR/NVR firmware is updated. If using PoE, verify the PoE switch is functional. Keep cables dry and shielded to avoid water or electrical interference. Summary. Camera powered off. Check replace the power adapter and cable DVR/NVR not receiving signal. Test alternate ports. Reboot the device. Faulty video cable connector. Inspect, replace, and reseat connectors. Let me know if you're using an analog system or an IP-based NVR setup. I can tailor the steps accordingly.